Hello to our NB world and fans. Today we are starting a new segment and it is going to be called Meet the Team Monday, Dave?
Yes, Meet the Team Monday.
Alright, so it's Meet the Team Monday. So what this is going to be is basically putting our newest team member on the spot for our first ever Meet the Team Monday. So to my left here is Mr. Dave Canning. And Dave is about to get thrown to the wolves here, so you can learn a little bit about him, and so can we. So, Dave, are you ready?
No.
So there are some rules to this, Dave. One is we're going to get personal.
Okay.
And number two, I'm going to circle back if I want some more information at the end, but you are only allowed to give one-sentence answers.
This is going to be the most prying episode we do, because I am not that kind of person.
One-sentence answers. Ready, set, go. Do you have a nickname?
Yes.
What is it?
DaveCTheVoice.
Are you single, married, significant other?
That's a personal question.
And I told you I'm going personal. The world needs to know Dave.
I do have a girlfriend.
All right, the voice has a girlfriend. Any kids?
No.
Favorite hobby?
Watching sports.
Next question was, are you a sports guy?
I am a sports guy.
Favorite team?
New York Yankees.
Favorite sport?
Baseball.
Pro sports?
All sports. Pro and college.
Dog or cat person?
Yes.
You have to have a favorite.
I'll go with dogs. I don't want to get booed.
Coffee or energy drink?
Energy drinks. Coffee is disgusting and stunts your growth.
Hold on, I need to take a sip of my coffee here.
We'll stand up at the end too so I can show you I'm much taller than him because he drinks so much. Coffee.
Favorite food?
Pizza.
Favorite adult beverage?
If we're going beer, it's a Samuel Adams seasonal beer. Anyone. If we're going with a hard liquor, it is Captain Morgan rum and Coke.
I'm liking Dave a little bit more. I mean, I liked him before, but, you know, a little bit more anyway. How many pair of shoes do you own?
Do sandals count?
Yes. He's counting. It can't be too bad.
No, it's not a lot. 5.
Your perfect night out is doing what?
Perfect night out. Being surrounded by friends and family. Good music playing. Maybe at a sporting event. Definitely with a cold adult beverage.
All right. Last question. It's a loaded one.
Oh, God.
And you're allowed to give me a more than one sentence answer.
Okay.
What's your dream job?
Being an office admin for New Beginnings Window and Door. No, my dream job would be to be the public address announcer for the New York Yankees.
What was the old Bob Shepard?
Bob Shepard.
So you want to be Bob Shepard?
I want to be the next
replacement?
coming of Bob Shepard. Well, Paul Holden is the replacement for Bob Shepard. I want to be Paul Holden's replacement. Or Michael Kay's. I'll even take Ryan Rucco.
Fair enough.
But
He's
if-
from
if-
Fishkill, I think, is he?
He's in
Is
the
he a
area.
local guy?
But if I could be Michael Haynes' replacement, I'll take that too.
That's a good answer. Okay, rapid fire's over. We got to know a little bit about Dave.
That was rapid fire?
Now we're going to get a little bit more in depth with him. So
Okay.
here's something I know about Dave, and he's going to give himself a little bit of a plug with it. So what Dave failed to mention is that Dave is possibly the world's largest wrestling fan. And he has a little bit of a side gig that happens with that wrestling. So tell us about that, Dave, in 60 seconds or less.
Oh, I am the host of the most in-demand wrestling broadcast, not podcast, on YouTube and all over the internet. The Wrestling Nerd Broadcast. That is nerd spelled N-R-D for Nick, Ryan, and Dave, the 3 hosts of it. We release a new show every Tuesday at 7 a.m. You can go to my YouTube channel, youtube.com/DaveCTheVoice. We have so many great wrestlers and legends alike on the show and so much more. We have more entertaining storylines than anything you'll find on a USA Network on a Monday night. So yeah, check us out, youtube.com/DaveCTheVoice, Wrestling Nerd Broadcast, WNRDB on all platforms, social media, and ProWrestlingTees.com/The Wrestling Nerd Broadcast for all your nerd merch.
And we will add a link to that at the bottom. So if you'd like to subscribe not only to our YouTube channel, of
Yes.
course, but also to Dave DaveCTheVoice.
DaveCTheVoice.
DaveCTheVoice in his YouTube channel. See now, Dave, the questions get a little bit easier, and I only have a couple more.
Okay.
Tell the NB family and what is your job at NB and what do you do?
What I put down on my resume, just in case I had to update it, I put down office admin and social media manager. So basically what I do is if you call our office, you'll most likely speak to me. We'll schedule you your estimates. We'll have somebody come, I will schedule somebody to come out to your home. You can come into the showroom. We'll schedule your installs. And then obviously also with the social media, anything that goes up that doesn't have an emoji on it, I post to the YouTube channel, edit those videos down. So
I just caught that late, sorry, I'm not the sharpest tool.
Easter eggs all over these videos, I promise.
Anything that does not have an emoji would be a Dave post.
Yep.
And we will leave that there. How long have you been here at NB with part of our team?
2 months as of this past Saturday.
So 2-month anniversary. Behind us is our wall that is missing a couple of people. One of them could be you. Not up on the wall yet. So by the next video, we will try and get Dave on our wall of fame.
Got plenty of room right here.
And last question, I'm going to give you the floor before we end for 60 seconds to tell the NB family anything else you would like us to know about you.
Well, there's a lot to know about me, and a lot you don't want to know about me. But in addition to being a wrestling fan and a wrestling nerd, working here at NB Windows has been a great time. But in addition to that, if you want a great time and you're getting married, Ray, you're having a sweet 16, birthday party, graduation party, if you're a high school holding a prom and you need a DJ, you need the best choice, and that is DaveCTheVoice for your entertainment needs. You can hit me up, DaveCTheVoice, on all the platforms of social media. I am fully insured, so we can bring the party to you, whether you're still nervous about the world surroundings. We can do it virtually or in person, whatever you feel comfortable with. So for entertainment's number one choice, there is only one DJ, DaveCTheVoice. So hit me up on all those platforms of social media.
And we will put a link to that
Absolutely.
at the bottom.
If I'm editing
also.
this, we'll be right there.
And he will be editing this. All right, well, that is our first episode of Meet the Team Monday.
I think we're just going to have you host all of them at this point.
I like to feel as if I did a very good job at this. In the comments, if you could just do that to just puff me up a little bit, I would appreciate it, even if you don't mean it. I'm okay.
Some of the all-time great hosts, Bob Eubanks, Chuck Woolery, you know.
I'm sort of a Pat Sajak fan. He's not a host, but like he's super funny on the Wheel of Fortune.
Absolutely.
So I do like Pat.
I'll put you in Pat Sajak's.
And you'll be like my Vanna White. You're like my version of Vanna.
No, if anything, I am the Rod Roddy to your Bob Barker. Come on down to New Beginnings Window and Door,
where you begin each day
with a beautiful view.
Thank you for tuning in.